have enjoyed playing with froth and bubble. Froth means bubbles formed in or on a liquid, that is foam. We are going to discuss a poem, Froth and Bubble, written by Adam Lindsay Gordon. He was a British Australian poet, horseman, police officer and politician. He was the first Australian poet to gain considerable recognition overseas, and according to his contemporary writer Marcus Clarke, Gordon's work represented the beginnings of a national school of Australian poetry. So let's see in this poem how poet has related froth and bubble with life. According to the poet, the life is uncertain. The life is compared to froth and bubble because life is also temporary and momentary like froth and bubble. If we show kindness in another's trouble, and we should be courageous in our own trouble or hardships of life. Life is like froth and bubble. The two things, kindness and courage, are like stone that stand by the time. The message the poet gives us is to help people and do not ask for help from anybody. Always be kind to others when they are in trouble and have courage when you are in trouble. Poem lines are like this. Question not but live and labor till your goal be won, helping every feeble neighbor, seeking help from none. Life is mostly froth and bubble. Two things stand like stone. Kindness in another's trouble, courage in your own. The poet Adam Lindsay Gordon tells everyone that one should never question but they should live and work hard until their goal is achieved. Help every feeble and weak neighbor but do not ask anybody's help. Life is like what? Life is like froth and bubble. The two things, kindness and courage, are like stone that stand by the time. Kindness and courage are like two stones that cannot be easily moved away. Life is like froth and bubble because froth and bubble come and go in the same way. Though tough times come and go like froth and bubble. So we have to be always strong enough to face any kind of situation with courage. This is about a poem, Froth and Bubble. Thank you.